Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, sir.
So, this is International Society for Krishna Consciousness, ISKCON. It was established by His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada in the year 1966 in New York. So basically, this movement, extends back to 500 years ago when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared in Bengal. So he appeared to spread the holy name. As popularly known, ISKCON is a Hare Krishna movement. So you can see people chanting on streets Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And when Srila Prabhupada started to preach this movement in India, so after independence, Indians were more attracted towards foreign countries. Whatever was branded with America, that used to become trend. So that's why Prabhupada thought that if I have to make devotees, if I have to protect our culture, I have to first spread it in America. So that's why he sailed to New York in a cargo ship and named Jalduta, and which took him almost 50 days, in Red Sea. And in between he got 2 heart attacks. And he was a 70 years old man. He sailed in a cargo ship with 2 heart attacks. But because of his firm determination, he went there in New York and he started his Hare Krishna movement. So the first place which he started chanting was Tompkins Square Park in New York. Still that tree is there, below which he used to chant for 3 hours, from 3 to 6. And some hippies, at that time, hippies are like typical American man, people, those who were like youth group, and they were looking for something higher taste. So Srila Prabhupada told them that I will give you such a higher taste that after attaining that stage, you will never want to come down. So basically they were using drugs, alcohols for that. They were thinking that by taking drugs, we will go to a higher state of consciousness. But once person goes there up, but when he comes down, he comes too low down.
Yes.
And then consciousness becomes completely spoiled. So then he gave them this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and they all started with a small storefront in New York. They took a small, like a garage kind of thing, and they established Radha Krishna deities there. And then Swamiji started taking classes for them on Bhagavad Gita, and slowly then started spreading out from New York to then London, then San Francisco, then Australia, then Africa. And Srila Prabhupada, in the span of 12 years, from 1966 till 1977, late 1977, he established 108 temples all over the world. And he traveled 14 times across the globe. He published almost 50 books. And ISKCON became the largest publisher of Vedic literature in the world. Till date, ISKCON has distributed more than 50 crores of Vedic literatures all over the world. So it has at present, ISKCON has a chain of 700 temples all over the world. And that includes many farm communities, many gurukuls, then restaurants. We have a chain of Govinda's restaurant, and many things, many things. In Bombay itself, we have 4 big temples. One in Juhu, Chowpatty, Mira Road, and this one is the 4th big project.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.